Well, good morning, handsome boy. We have been working our tushies off after a great, 4 or 5 days on the road, checking things out up island. Been back here for a few days, literally doing nothing but editing. Oh my goodness. But this morning, it's another Cooking with Brent show, or the BVL cooking show, or whatever you want to call it. I had this weird conception last night, wanting Ichiban soup, and then I thought, I wonder what Ichiban soup would taste like with eggs in the morning. Kind of like those egg foo youngs of the Chinese, buffets. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put noodle and this stuff into there with the noodle, and then I'm going to pour the egg into them on the frying pan. I thought I'd make like egg cakes with, I don't know, sounds good. I'm a little unsure of how to actually put this together. So we're going to go by trial and error. And heat these up a bit, throw some noodle on, tomato, pour it over with egg, I think. Okay. What a mess. It is delicious, man. I'm gonna make up the rest of them and refrigerate them. And a quick heat in the frying pan. Oh, so delicious. I took one of the patties into the boys in the shop, cut it up 4 ways. 2 of them were too scared to try it. 2 of them tried it. Rave reviews. It's pretty good stuff, man. Okay, I have to clean up this mess and put away my laundry, and then I need to go get some propane. Well, as you can see, the cleanup's underway, but we run into an issue. I was using the water pump and noticed it was leaking on the floor down there. So I've had to pull that, which protects the pump and is the bottom of my closet, and all my drawers out to access the pump. The weird thing is, I've lost power and everything, so now I got to go empty the back out to get to where all my wiring is, because it shouldn't do that. Oh well, let's go look. It's a bit windy out here, a bit chilly too, but we're getting there. All back there. Well, luckily we didn't have to bring too much stuff out. It was this fuse right here. It's a 30 amper. It's my main power in off the battery. Huh. I'm just wondering why it didn't pop the fuse in the fuse panel. Let's go look. So, main power comes in, ground goes out. Why did the water pump blow? How big of an average is that? 35. I guess we'll have to lower that one down. Okay. So I checked both water lines. They're holding, but it's leaking from the bottom. 2 days off, relaxing. Bam! It's time to replace your water pump. So this is what I'm gonna do. I pulled the bottom end off and I JB welded it. So I don't know if it's gonna work or not. But I can order another one off Amazon and it should be here the next day for like $30. So I think what happened was instead of having it up like this, I had it down like this. So I guess water would sit in the bottom where the pumping mechanism is. And in Alberta, it drops to minus 40 and plus or minus 60 type of thing. So I can see it freezing up and breaking inside. So I made an attempt to put it back together, but I'm going to order a new one just to be safe. And this will go into the spare parts pile. Parts pile. Right, dude? Sadly, it's going to be hard to put everything back together. It's not hard, but is it really worth it? I think what I'll do is put all the drawers into the Volkswagen for now. We'll lay them out on the floor. And yeah, when it comes in, we'll just put it all back in again. Okay, more work. Well, that was a lot more work than I was really wanting to do today. I was kind of hoping just to do some editing and yeah, but it's back to normal. It's clean. I like it. And we still have to worry about fixing the water pump. Okay, I'm just gonna head up to Buddy's house for a sec here. He invited me for a bite to eat, so we'll make our way up there. I need to fill up the propane for my fireplace, and then we'll come back and we're gonna call it a day.
Good morning, sir. How are you this morning?
Well, I'm happy to be awake. I know. Today, well, I don't know what we're doing today. I'm warming up right now. It's about 3 degrees outside. And we got a bit of a dirty place to clean up. It's not bad, but we should get something productive done today. I've done finally all my editing. I just need to upload it this morning, so you know what that means. That's right. It means the dude and I shall be heading out on an adventure fairly soon. Hello, Mr. Spoiled Boy. How was your birthday? Look, you got a toy box. And toys. Lucky boy. Yeah, a friend of mine popped by. A good friend of mine popped by. And brought the boy a toy and some snacks and a toy box, and he's pretty excited about it. We're just relaxing today because we're actually looking forward to taking off or doing something here in the next day or two. Everything is pretty much ready to go other than my bedroom. I really want to refresh it all. I'm going to buy new sheets, wash my comforter and pillowcases, and yeah, I only have 2 sets of sheets, and one's in the van. Can you see it over there? Yeah, there you go. And yeah, so I'm gonna get them all washed up, and then we're gonna hit the road probably in the next few days. Until then, hey dude. Till then, knitting is supposed to be popping by tomorrow. Hey, I'm talking to you. Remember your buddy Knitting? He said he missed you. Yeah. Today's the day. Everything's stripped down. I just gotta load this into a bag. Yeah, we'll get cleaned up and load this stuff up. I'm gonna head up to my sister's place and throw a load of laundry in, and we're gonna take care of the dude since he had a birthday. We're gonna give him a spa day, bathtub, haircut, manicure. Dexter's house? Yeah. Well, that was a great little visit. The dude got his hair cut. I can hardly wait to show you guys. Look at that. We're headed back to the shop. We have Nitin wanted to come down, so we're gonna have some dinner with him and hang out in BS for a while.